Any minute now, our floor robot Harry Lime, alias the third man, is going to spring into life at 8:30, and we've got seconds to go.
Starting cleaning.
Here he goes. And he's into it. He's having a think. There he's into it. Alright. This is it. He's programmed today to vacuum the whole house, including the carpet and the tiles. With the iPhone app, we can change its order of progress, or even ask it to do another room twice if we want. Which reminds me, I need to pick up a few leads in my music room. On its first use, it mapped out the whole house as accurately as an AutoCAD.